Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your device is on the correct network and note the DNS resolver IP you're using. First, ping your gateway and a public IP like 8 to verify connectivity. This separates DNS issues from routing problems. Once done, check your system's DNS settings via ipconfig or network settings so you know which server to query. This quick triage saves time because many DNS errors are actually simple connectivity or configuration mismatches. Now run targeted resolver tests. Use dig or enslookup to query the hostname against your configured resolver and again against a trusted public resolver like 8 so you can compare answers. Look for serve fail, NX domain, or mismatched IPs. These indicate server errors, missing records, or propagation problems. Also inspect TTL values and authoritative name server responses. Once you see where the answer diverges, trace the delegation chain to identify whether the issue lies at the zone authority or in the finish by applying corrective actions. Flush your local DNS cache and restart network services, then requery to confirm resolution. This eliminates cached bad answers. If the problem stems from zone data, update records at the authoritative provider and check SOA serial numbers to ensure propagation. Make sure delegation and glue records at the registrar are correct. If things still fail, collect dig/enslookup outputs and resolver logs. Then escalate to the registrar or hosting provider with those artifacts so they can fix delegation or authoritative server faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.